Hi, I'm Kelly, and these are my sisters Nancy and Karen. We love to travel, but, you know, the lockdown has put a hiatus on travel. So for Christmas this year, we are doing Vlogmas this year.
So join us every day this month up until Christmas as we try treats from around the world.
And bake different countries' traditional Christmas goodies.
And make Christmas
with Nancy,
crafts.
with Christmas crafts.
Yeah.
And talk to people from all over the world. We're so happy you're joining us. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
We're going to India! All right, so we have a bunch of salty, spicy Indian
Awesome.
snacks.
Awesome. This will be fun.
Will be. We're going to have some spicy chickpeas.
Oh, yum.
Nancy doesn't want to try the spicy stuff, so
We get it. It's not really fair.
that she doesn't have to try the spicy.
No, that you probably tried all of these because you went to Indian church in college.
I did go to Indian church and I had a bunch of Indian friends. All right.
Did you bring down some water? I might.
I think you have some. I think we're good.
All right.
All right, here we go. Let's try these.
Yep. These are good.
Woo! Karen just got the spice.
You're hot.
I love these. Mmm.
These would be good on top of a salad or something. Man, they're hot.
They're delicious. I guess I should have checked to see if I could eat them. Oh, I already checked it. Yes, I can eat these. Well, you know what? Me gusta
Those are
mucho.
good. They're hot. But they're good.
Mmm. I like these. They might clear your sinuses, but I like these. These are good. That was a bit spicy. Yeah.
Okay, that was pretty spicy, but it was good. I could eat those.
I could too.
Yeah.
I really do like that. That's like a 1. Or
Yeah.
is that 10? A 10.
A 10's the best.
A 10 is the best. That's a 10 from me. That
It was good.
yummy.
It was a little too spicy for me, but I would eat them and then be in pain afterwards.
That was so good.
Right, I tend to do that.
She
Eat
does.
spicy stuff,
She
turn
does.
bright red, start sweating.
Grandma's kitchen, I'm guessing. Amma's kitchen. Is that grandma?
What is it? Banana chips?
Banana chips, salty banana chips.
Alma's kitchen banana chips. All right, let me try one. Just take the bag away.
Sorry. Wait, should I look at the...
Oh, I didn't wait for you.
It's all good. I've had banana chips. Ingredients: bananas, turmeric, salt, and palm oil.
Yeah, these are better than any banana chips I've ever had.
Way to go, India! This is good.
This is very good. That can't be made from bananas. That's really good.
Really good.
I like that.
I'll put that about a 9. I mean, I started with really good. What do you think?
Chickpeas are better. But those are really good banana chips. Okay, what is this?
Chocoli? Chocoli, a crispy snack. It said rice flour, but I looked at the ingredients. It also has wheat, so I'm passing this one to Karen.
Something made out of?
Rice flour, wheat flour, vegetable oil, black lentil flour, chickpeas, pulse flour, salt, sesame seeds, black pepper, grits, chili powder, cumin.
Okay, it's not squid.
Did you think it was squid, you weirdo? It's very crunchy.
Okay. I think the closest thing I've ever had to something like this is sesame. Like a little sesame stick that you would see in like, oh, you know, you go, what is that food? Give me a second. Why can't it? Mongolian. Like you go to a Mongolian barbecue and they grill up a bunch of food and they ask you, and there's like a whole, like a line of, this just keeps getting hotter. Is this my imagination or does this just keep getting hotter?
It has red chili powder.
Oh. I really, really like it, but oh my gosh, that's hot. It's like a sesame stick with heat.
Huh. It's so crunchy.
It is very crunchy. I really like this. But the more you chew it,
The spicier it gets.
the spicier it gets. What are these called?
Chocoli?
Okay, those are good. I like those. On the spice meter, this would rank in the middle for Americans going to eat at spicy places. At least to me. This is pretty spicy. It's not super, super hot. And my nephews who eat spice all the time would tell me it's not hot at all. But I think it's pretty spicy. It's good, but spicy. Maybe should have had you brought me milk.
Oh no. Are you not going to be able to sleep tonight?
Not going to be able to sleep tonight. That is still just burning.
No. Well, I have more spice. We have Sing
I do like spice. Don't get me wrong. I like spice.
Ujia hot peanuts.
Hot, too hot?
Too hot. Hot peanuts.
Let me see. Who picked these things? I'm now worried. Hot. Okay, let's try these. Hot.
And I checked. Yes, I can eat some. There's a wow.
All right.
That is
Get another.
spicy.
It's not fair. I have two.
Why did you take
'Cause
two?
they're stuck together.
Why?
Do it.
I don't
Do
want-
it. Take a handful.
Okay, I have two hot peanuts.
Really? Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
With pickle sauce?
There's the hot. And sour.
What's that? Okay.
Hmm.
The heat must come later because I don't feel the heat at all. Or maybe that other stuff was just so hot.
Really, really hot.
It tastes like these are dunked in pickle juice.
They got a
Does it say that on there anywhere?
dried mango,
Oh.
carom seeds, red chili powder, black pepper,
And it gets hotter.
chickpeas.
Okay, it's getting hotter.
There's a slow burn going on.
Yeah. That's getting hotter. I'm not saying I don't know that I like that. Sorry, I like the other thing that was hot. This. I like this that was hot.
Seriously, the longer I sit here,
Oh man.
there's a slow burn.
Ugh.
Just slowly eating my mouth out.
Mm. Mm.
Well, you're the one that said we had to eat two. It was odd. There was a little spice.
No.
No, wait. There's a little spice, and there's sour. And then, the longer you sit, the more it burns. It's gone for me now. The burn is
You're gonna have to
gone.
go get me milk.
I think I just killed Karen.
Time out.
Time out. Gotta go get some milk. I had no idea.
It's burning out my ears, like from the inside of my ears out. Man, that stuff. I don't ever want to eat those again.
You don't want hot peanuts again?
No. No, that still hurts. Oh. I hope nothing else is hot.
I don't think so. I think it's almond cake, rusk, and some cookies.
Sorry, people. I'm so sorry.
And I can't eat either of these.
This is crazy.
So this is just Karen. And she's dying right now.
I'm trying really hard not to die right now. I mean, not really, but...
So far,
Wow, that's hot.
my two favorite things were the chickpeas and the banana chips.
I like the chickpeas. They were a little hot. I really like the... Chicali? Oh, however you would say that. I really like these, although they were very hot. I did not like the hot peanuts. That's too hot for me. I'm still suffering, but let's move on.
We have Parley G original gluco cookies. Something I'm not going to be able to eat.
Does that not look like a baby cookie?
Well, they sent me a ton of them.
Which are good. They let's see. Almost taste like a vanilla wafer.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, those would be good in like a banana pudding, actually. Too bad you can never have them.
No, I don't want to die.
Yeah, I like that.
And finally, we have almond cake rusk for Karen to try.
You got yourself something else that you can't eat?
Well, almond cake. I thought it was almond flour. I didn't know they were going to put wheat in it. The other thing said rice flour. I didn't know they were going to put wheat in it.
That makes sense. So you have to check everything because your allergy is not actually a gluten allergy. It's actually
a flat out wheat allergy. So, and
they put that in everything. Not that that's what this video is about. But.
No. And I probably shouldn't.
Oh my gosh. Still.
This looks like a biscotti.
Okay, that definitely needs coffee. Here we go. I'm going to try this. Oh, it tastes very good.
Is it good?
It's a lot like a biscotti, though. This is good, though. I like it. Good choice.
Even though you can't have it. Good
though.
choice. You can't have it.
It's good, though.
Hi, guys. We are going to make some date fudge today. No chocolate, no peanut butter, dates. This is a recipe from India. So I'm pretty sure this isn't one of the recipes my friends from college had me try. It's called KHAJOOR Ki Mithai, date and nut fudge. It is a no-bake cookie or fudge. The literal translation is a sweet made of dates. Okay, I need 1/4 cup of chopped pistachios and a tablespoon of raw honey to start with. So let's chop up some pistachios. Oh boy, I love pistachios. This is gonna take a bit. I'll come right back. So once the pistachios are chopped, you add a tablespoon of raw honey, which I have right here. And then you just set that aside, and we will chop our dates, and then basically we're going to use heat from the stove and turn it into a paste. I do love dates. Dates are so good. It's really good in your oatmeal in the morning. And 2 tablespoons of ghee and my dates. Alright, I'm gonna put this on. Oh yeah, my cardamom. Alright, let's put this on. Okay, so we have that on. I need to stir frequently, so I need to get over there and start stirring. and do that for 5 minutes. Then I reduce the heat and do it for another 5 minutes. I don't know if that's gonna come out. But while that does its thing, I need to chop up some cashews and some almonds. Those are good. Here's my cashews. That's what I have going right now. Almonds. So once that's cool to touch, I roll it in between 2 pieces of parchment paper until it's nice and flat. I add my honey pistachio mixture and then I roll it up and I chill it for a couple hours. It's pretty fun. Then I take my honey and my pistachios and spread that out across. Okay, and then I just roll this into a log. And then I just cool it for about an hour. Oh, I'm gonna add coconut to half of this, and the other half is coconutless, and you probably know why. If you've watched any of the other videos, you probably know why. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in the fridge and wait for an hour. Oh, what is this weird looking?
What is this? What is this you bring me into wrapped up in?
Well,
is it a gift? Is it a Christmas gift?
Yes.
Where's the blue ribbons?
It's well, you all know. She does not.
I don't know.
It is date fudge from India.
Date fudge.
Date fudge. Date nut fudge.
Hey.
I gotta cut it for
It's not just dates. What else is it? Ooh, wishy gooey.
you. Honey.
Ah.
Honey.
Well.
Pistachios.
What about spices?
There's a little cardamom.
Is it? Right,
That's cardamom.
Is it spicy? Spicy?
No spicy.
I'm a little. I gotta be honest.
That side doesn't.
I'm a little worried.
Well, let's find out.
Not a massive slice.
Well, I just gotta see if I can.
Maybe not put that in the fridge.
That had to go in the fridge.
It's a little blown out in this light, but that's what I'm going to try.
It's pretty though.
Okay, the only optimistic part is it's got pistachios in it, which I like.
It's just pistachios and honey and dates. There we go. Oh, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. That's surprisingly good.
It's like a cookie.
Kind of.
No. I'm not saying it's a chocolate chip cookie or something.
It's more like a health bar.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know what they're called. What are those ones?
Cliff Bar?
Not Cliff, it's the ones that are made with mainly date paste. I can't remember. But this is good.
I actually like it.
Good job, Cal. I like it a lot.
Merry Christmas,
y'all.